Orthomosaic maps are comprised of hundreds or even thousands of photos which are captured by the drone flying in a very specific pattern. When you compare them to Google Earth, which is incredibly pixelated when you zoom in, one of the key benefits of an orthomosaic is that it maintains the resolution when you zoom in. They are accurate to within a centimetre and are measurable once imported into CAD and GIS software. It's also up to date, showing the actual condition of the area versus what Google Earth thinks is still there. Once the settings such as the altitude, overlaps and speed are set, the drone will autonomously fly the mission, capturing all the photos required. Once the drone has completed the mission and captured all the photos, you then process it in the photogrammetry software, in this case DJI Terra, to create the orthomosaic map. The mission is saved within the controller, which allows you to run it again and again, perfect for charting progress. Because of its accuracy and resolution, it's the ultimate way of checking progress for precision, for informing planning, and a range of other reasons across many industries.